right. Come on, I ride $5 worth of groceries. The price of gas will bring me to my knees. Two wheels rolling all through the streets, riding through the city and feeling free. I ride my bike most everywhere. When in my face, I got no care. Every mile earn a little more safe. That ass roll down another grade. When sunset through the dark of night, I wear reflective gear and flashing lights. Won't throw the sauce all up in your face. Life about living, it's not a race. Ride your bike, stuff to you. Start real slow, have my whole too. Soon you find yourself out for a ride. Feeling all better than day no night. Ain't no rush to the city speed. Hell power, kind of feeling in me. Street lights flicker like a rhythm and groove. Every turn I take, I'm in the blues and mood. 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 Yeah, all this is my playground. Two wheels make pound pound. Every corner's a brand new sound. In the night mode free is where I'm bound.